To be able to change the lenses of the focus lens, we are going to use this part. It is the area of the protective lens. And back here we have the focus lens. For the protective lens, we are going to remove it with tweezers and lift it, and the ring stays here. We can use a container and the lens will fall. To replace the lens, we have to hold it by the edges and not touch the lens. And we are going to place it in the container. We can move it to adjust it. And we are going to place the ring back from the edges. For the focus lens, we can use our fingers to move it with these notches here. There it moved. Or we can also use an element that fits the size and proceed to turn it. With the ring out, we are going to turn it. We will find another protective ring that we can also use pliers to remove. And similarly, we can use a container to place the new lens using the edges as well. We deposit it. We are going to place it back and it will adjust. We start by carefully removing the ring, ensuring that we do not damage any components in the process. Once the ring is out, we proceed to turn it gently. As we do this, we will discover another protective ring. This ring can also be removed using pliers, which should be done with caution to avoid any mishaps. After removing the protective ring, we can use a container to safely place the new lens. We make sure to use the edges of the container to avoid touching the lens surface. Once the lens is securely placed in the container, we proceed to deposit it carefully. Finally, we are going to place it back in its original position, ensuring that it is properly adjusted and secured. In order to achieve the desired configuration, we begin by gently tapping the component, which allows us to make precise adjustments to its position. This step is crucial for ensuring that everything aligns perfectly. Next, we carefully place the small ring into its designated spot, making sure it fits snugly and securely. Following this, we proceed to position the last ring, which is the final piece in this assembly process. This step is done with the same level of care and attention to detail as the previous ones, ensuring that the entire setup is stable and functions as intended. These actions are performed in a controlled environment, using specialized tools to guarantee accuracy and efficiency. By following these steps, we ensure that the assembly is completed successfully, maintaining the integrity and functionality of the entire system.